day. You want to be ready for when the guys show up. It's going to be a big truck. It's a big piece, so on my delivery day, I will have to remove the vehicles from the front, so I would have room enough for the guys to walk through this aisle. It's a little dirty today, but sorry about that. They have to have room enough to pass through this Japanese gate. So you have to measure your top to the bottom and your wife to make sure that they can go here. Then I'm showing you my case because it's a good example of a blocked area. I have some steps here. They couldn't go. They could, but they don't want to go those couple steps up and then to the left, right? They rather could go, that's actually what they did, this way, and make sure that they have room enough to walk this path. So they wanna, you have to simulate what they're doing. So they would come and walk through this way. This area has to be totally open, unconstructed, so they can go back here and put it. Very important, think about it very well, very important. They have to put your piece with the control where you want it. You don't want them to put the control here. If you're gonna end up having it back here, it's gonna be a struggle for you and your wife to turn it and put it in the right position. You rather plan it and have it put in place by the delivery guys in the position that you want.